Ito kami sa labas na Ella.
Mommy, you want some ice cream?
Ice cream? You will open that later, yeah? When?
For my friend.
Yeah, oo.
Sasa love ice cream. I'll get one for me, one for Sasa, one for Michael.
Dami. Yan naghintay kami na bus. Magsundo kami kay Michael. Galing siya sa Holiday Club. Yeah. I don't know if Michael loves that, but I like the chocolate one.
And I like the ice cream.
Ice cream.
You go to the other shop and you just went to the other shop. And then you didn't go to the other shop before. You just went to go to shopping in this ice cream. This ice cream, it tastes yummy, or is it yummy? You can eat it all up in your tummy, and it'll be normal, and you'll get it, and you'll go buy this again into the shops and just put it home and day to the fridge.
Yeah.
And then
Ang daming sinabi. Naintindihan niyo yung sinabi yan? Ako wala ko naintindihan joke. Ulit-ulit yung sabi ba? Ano nangyari yan sa kabubili nito? Where did you, saan mo kinuha?
Mommy, what did it say?
Sabi dito, cool cones. Cool cones.
Oh, sprinkles.
Sprinkle.
You can eat it in our tummy. It's cool. I'll be frozen like that's it. And Mr. Ducky said it's for sharing.
So you will share?
Yeah, to Sasa, because an Arya, and then it's every it said sharing the kids.
Sharing is caring.
Yeah, this is for Arya, me, and for Sasa. So I'll share them later.
Yeah, show later.
Ah!
Ano? Bus kami ni Ella. Yeah, bus. Pauwi na kami. What? You say? Ano sabi mo? Ella, anong kinakain mo? Ice cream. Ah, sarap?
Don't eat it.
Ubus na. Ubus na! You finished? Michael, anong kinakain mo? Oreo. Anong kinakain mo, Michael? Michael, kakatapos niya lang ng ano. Kakatapos. Ala.
Mommy, a video today.
Where? Oh.
Oh, that's how it actually.
It's run away.
I can say that. Mommy, did you take a video of it?
Yes, of course. I show you later. Yeah. And you? What? You hungry? Did you eat all your food, Michael, today? Michael? Boy, sagot. Did you eat all your food today? That Daddy give you? Yes, no? Oo, hindi. Michael, isa. Dalawa. Oo. Kinain niya daw. Muna daw si Ella bago umalis. Puink. Michael nandun. Yeah, okay. Do it again. I can give you 10 minutes to play, yeah? Yeah. 2 minutes play. 10 minutes play. Iupo. Oops. Yeah, okay. Anak ko. Kaya hindi sila maglaro. Si Michael 8:30 to 4 o'clock sa school. Si Ella at saka si ako. Si Ella at saka si ako. Papunta na kami sa party. Party, baby. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Punta kami sa ano ba yung ano ko. Ang ganda ng makeup ko today. Sandali. Nakaka-fresh. Sandali. Oh, ayan. Nakaka... Yeah, we're going now. We're walking there now. Then, maglakad. Ah? You know the kids, Michaela. You know Michaela?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to her house. Michaela din pangalan ng isang bata.
Mommy, it's two names.
Yeah, it's two names. Your name and Michaela name. Oh.
What happened to Ella's family?
Ah?
What happened to
Mainit today pero okay lang.
Mama?
Ayan. Yeah, you're Michaela. She's Michaela. It's still the same. Parehas rin lang na.
The same name.
Oh, yeah, it's the same name. Parehas rin lang naman. Maglakad na kami. Close pa to. Layo ng lalakaran namin. 10 minutes. Yeah. Pagod na si Ella pagdating. Nag-shopping siya eh.
Mama, please make nice yummy noodles.
Yeah.
And then
They're making some foods there.
yeah. Where is the house?
We're nearly there.
Where's the house?
Yeah.
So far
In
away.
9 minutes. Yes, yeah. We will go to her house now.
You'll go to her house.
As in said. Yeah.
Yeah.
Kami ni Ella. O, naka-makeup na ninyo. Hindi ka na. Hindi ko sasama si Ella eh. Sandali. Diretso tayo. Diretso. Oh. Ah? Sandali. Tumatakbo kasi si Ella. Nandito kami sa ilalim ng tulay. Ano yan? Talon yung chicks mo. Dito kami sa ilalim ng tulay. Is na naman kami.
Hello. If I listen, don't open it, okay?
Si Michael, pinili lang namin sumama sa amin. Ayaw niya talaga sumama. Ayaw mong sumama sa amin. Tapos ngayon, gusto niya merong ano.
I wanna eat
Okay,
the
I'm
orange,
holding. Oh, get the orange. Hold your lollipop. Michael, hold your lollipop.
I'm holding both.
Okay, good. Hold it. Don't give it to me. You like it, then eat it. Don't give it to me. Bigay niya sa akin.
Oh, this one. I want to hold something.
Why I need to hold this? May football ngayon eh. May football. Ella, anak ko ay. Dito, gilid tayo. Maraming ano ngayon sa football. Daming naglalakad papuntang football. Daming tao ngayon. Lalo na mamayang hapon. 4:05 pag natapos yung football. Mag-aano sila. Tawag dito. Lalakad pabalik. Natinda highway. Matagasaan kayo.
Company car.
Yeah.
And Daddy's baby gray car.
Yeah, as is gray, isn't it?
Yeah, and this is, it said, don't open it.
Huh?
What is this, tongue? Here's somebody, this is my toy.
Saan?
How the yummy. I go eat it like yummy. Oh yeah.
Michael.
Mama, what?
Sige, magkulangat ka. Ay! Don't eat your kulang! Ayan na naman si Ella. Ayaw pang umakyat. Video kita. Ano? Ayan, ayaw niya pa umakyat. Pagod na. Nagbike din ako. Pero pagod na ako. Matanda na talaga. Gusto ko na lang ihiga. Yupo. Andali. Kaupo na lang dito. Yan yung maganda kong bike. Yung isa naman. Are we going upstairs now? Bakit? Kala ko masakit paa mo. Ay, legs mo. But I'm tired na. Pagod na ako. Pagod. Ako ay pagod na.